Okay guys, today we're making a delicious breakfast bruschetta. So I have some toasted bread here. I'm using a multi-grain sourdough. You can use whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and spread out some herbed goat cheese on top of the bread. This recipe is inspired by this lovely book here, The Wine Country Table, which has great explanations of just California wine country and lovely recipes to go with it. So inside the book, you'll see a breakfast bruschetta, which is on the sweet side. It's using fruit. I'm going the savory route here. We have some herb goat cheese. So I'm just kind of spreading that on both of my pieces of toast. Next up, I'm going to add some mashed avocado because you just can't have toast in California without avocado on it. It's like illegal or something. So adding in my avocado, both pieces. So the thing about this recipe, this is in celebration of Down to Earth Month, which is really basically about California wines. California here, we produce over 80% of the wine that we produce here in California is sustainable, which is great, which means, when you're drinking great, delicious wines, you're also doing good for the planet. Next up, we have our veggies. I have some shaved radishes here. They're just really thinly sliced. The thing about this recipe, it's really delicious and you can kind of use whatever you sort of have in the refrigerator. So if you have some fresh seasonal vegetables, just thinly slice those and put on there. I like the little bite from the radish, goes well with the avocado. We're gonna add on our thinly sliced radishes, and then next up some paper thin cucumbers. Get those added on. Nice little great start to your day. As I mentioned, this is for Down to Earth Month, celebration of California wines. So California has more acreage of sustainable wineries than like any other place in the world. So just another reason to drink and taste those delicious California wines. So okay, I'm adding on my sliced cherry tomatoes. Get those on there. Okay, so I have my cherry tomatoes, goat cheese, avocado. Next up, the fried egg. Okay, I'm just gonna add my egg on here. Lovely little breakfast bruschetta. This is a great little bite, You're starting out your wine tasting, you wanna have a little nosh before you hit the vineyard. This is the way to go. Top that off with some flaky salt. So the thing about California is we produce 80% of the wine that's made here in America, which is not too surprising because we actually grow over 400 different commodities here. Like, we are the producer of fruits and veggies as far as states go. So not surprising that we also produce a lot of wine too. I'm gonna add in some cracked pepper. Okay, I'm just gonna finish this off with a little bit of chopped parsley here. Just adds a nice visual, if you ask me. So be sure to follow the Down to Earth hashtag to stay on top of all the delicious things that are going on with California wines this month. Also, be sure to check out the Wine Country Table cookbook. If you really want to understand California wines and the seasonal things that you can eat to go with them, this is your resource guide. Check this out. And I am going to dip into this Domaine Carneros Brut here and enjoy it with this little breakfast bruschetta. Hopefully this, there we go. Pour myself a little bit there. Have a little nosh. Cheers to you guys. Check out the cookbook, Wine Country Table. Follow the hashtag Down to Earth. And hey, try out this recipe and let me know what you think. See you next time.